So friends, what we have in front of us is the chart of Bank Nifty index for the date 14th of August. So what we can see here is, now this is the central pivot, okay, and this is the central pivot range CPR. So what we can see that it has opened much below the central pivot as well as much below the central pivot range. And in this kind of movement on this day, what we can see, as we had discussed earlier, the price movement was within the central pivot and the S1. So the entire day it was moving in that range, and that too in a very narrow range. That narrow range was somewhere here, between here to here. But this also can be explained with the help of minor levels. So on this kind of a day where there is no trending move, what we can do, at least we can capture a few points with the help of minor resistances and supports. Okay, so on these days you cannot do anything more than scalping. You cannot expect big moves on this day, this kind of a day. So basically, whether it is a trending market or it is a sideways market, anyway, the scalping is always helpful. Okay, so let us see what will be the levels on 16th of August, and let us analyze the situation with the help of central pivot and the central pivot range and the resistances and supports. What may happen on 16th of August? Let us see. So friends, let us now see what can happen on 16th of August. What are the possibilities actually? So let us see what are the possibilities. So here we can see that the central pivot has moved down, as there was a big gap down. So the central pivot also has moved down. It is near about 49780. Okay. And what has happened, another thing what has happened is that central CPR range, that is central pivot range, the difference between TC and BC has come down to 53. Last day that CPR range was 227. So on 14th of August, when the data was created on the basis of 14th of August, the CPR range for 16th of August is only 53 points. Okay, that means it has narrowed down to a great extent. Now what does it mean? When the CPR range is narrowed down, it means the next day can give a trending move. The next day can be trending. That it may be trending. It's not for sure that it will be trending, but there is a high possibility that the next day the movement will be trending. And now we'll see the other points also. Now, where we have the other points also, we see the range boundary. If the movement is range bound, then within what range it can move. So the R1 is at 49825 and S1 is at 49613, and these are the minor points in between. So if it is going sideways or it is not a trending market, one can always use this for scalping purposes. Now if it goes for breakout, what will be the breakout point? The breakout point will be the 49927 if it is a upward breakout point, if you want to take a C position. So 49927 is the breakout point. So if the price goes above 49927 and it sustains above 49927, then there is a high possibility that it will reach up to 50042. It's a high possibility. So at least this up to this 50,000 or 50,042 it can reach. On the lower side, if there is a breakout, it will happen if the price comes below 49550 and sustains. So what will be the minimum target which can be achieved for after that is 49466, and it goes beyond that, it can go up to 49408. So in tomorrow's market, let us see what happens, but there is a possibility that tomorrow market can be a trending market. So let us see, friends, what happens in tomorrow market, and we'll come back and we'll analyze what has actually happened. So good night, friends. Do subscribe my channel. Okay.